morning, good morning, good morning. And where are we today, Elaine?
We're in Granada.
Granada, in Spain. Probably we've got just one full day to explore different sites here. And we've just arrived at the palace. So we're going to see if we can get in and have a look round. Now we haven't actually booked tickets to get in the palace, so we're hoping we can still get in. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Fingers crossed we should be able to get in, but there are a few crowds. We tried to get in, didn't we?
We did.
We
Have to
should
book very far in advance. I checked a month ago and there was no tickets. But we thought if we come early we might just sneak in. But we can't.
We asked the man, and because I tried to speak a little bit of Spanish, he said "uno momento," and he was on his walkie-talkie. And about 5 minutes later, he came back, and he said "no." That's Spanish for no.
Oh, there's quite a lot to see without going in.
Yes,
Maybe.
we kind of.
We're still having a nice look.
We've still had a look round the outside of the buildings, but it's just the inside that we can't. It's just the inside we haven't really been able to get into. But even the outside with the gardens and the buildings, you still get to see a lot anyway. There's a tip: if you come to the palace, book well in advance. But this is still very beautiful. He is going uphill. Difficult to tell from this angle, but he is. And here comes the others. That is the palace from down below, and hopefully we're heading somewhere where we can have a higher up view of it. In search of a view. This is the best place to come to get a view of the palace. Glorious. Let's see if we can grab a drink and enjoy the view for a few moments, because otherwise we have been looking from up here. Sit down, have a drink and enjoy that view. We're in search again. We're in search of another view. But these side streets are lovely. We've walked through some of these streets to get up to here, and it's given us a view of that. But I think we're still heading up. Are we still heading up?
Yeah.
We're still heading up. Onwards and upwards. We've come up there, and that's the view. But we've still got to go that way. So okay, we didn't get into the palace, but we have seen some spectacular views, and it's also taken us to this area, which I think is a park, and the views are incredible. This is absolutely beautiful. We're not expecting this at all. Sometimes, when you don't make a plan, things kind of just come together. Just look at that, for example. That's beautiful.